Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
7 common phrasal verbs with knock. Like and subscribe to the channel. Knock out. Meaning, to defeat or render someone unconscious. Example, the fighter knocked out his opponent in the first round. Knock down. Meaning, to hit someone or something, causing them to fall, or to reduce a price. Examples, the strong wind knocked down the tree. They knocked down the price by 20% during the sale. Knock up, informal. Meaning, to make someone pregnant. Example, she joked that her sister got knocked up right after college. Knock off. 5 meanings depending on the context. 1. To stop working for the day. Example, we knocked off early on Friday to enjoy the weekend. 2. To reduce the price of something. Example, the store knocked off $10 from the total price. 3. To steal something. Example, the thieves planned to knock off the jewelry store. 4. To produce something quickly. Example, he knocked off the essay in just an hour. 5. To murder someone slang. Example, the gang planned to knock off their rival. Knock over. Meaning, to cause something to fall or spill, or to rob informal. Examples, he accidentally knocked over the vase. They knocked over a convenience store last night. Rob. Knock back. Meaning, to drink something quickly, often alcohol, or to reject something. Examples, he knocked back a shot of whiskey. They knocked back my proposal without a second thought. Reject. Knockabout. 4 meanings depending on the context. 1. To wander or travel casually, moving around without a fixed plan. Example, after college he spent a year knocking about Europe, exploring different cities. 2. To discuss ideas informally, talking about something in a relaxed way. Example, we knocked about some ideas for the new project over coffee. 3. To treat roughly or jostle, handling something or someone in a rough manner. Example, the old suitcase had been knocked about during the trip. 4. To live a carefree or unsettled life, not having a stable routine or home. Example, he knocked about different jobs before settling into his career. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.